Hi everyone, it's Alexei, and today I would like to tell you about Chemspace.com text search. There are different ways to search for chemicals, but on Chemspace.com you can use structure search, you can use text search, or you can import a file. Text search is probably the most convenient and the fastest way to find chemicals of your interest. There are two text boxes for inserting your queries. The first one is located at the top over here, right next to the Chemspace logo. It is suitable for a single query search. The second one is located behind the chemical search button in the text search section over here. The number of queries is limited by 2,000 records. Few words about the identifiers that could be used for text searching. We support chemical names, smiles, CAS and MFCD numbers, as well as Chemspace and suppliers' IDs. For searching, you can use them separately, or even mix them up, just like I did here. So I just copy them and insert them into the box and press search button and waiting for receiving my results. And here they are. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel in order not to miss new Chemspace videos. Bye!